Hi there, welcome to the channel. And today we're reviewing 123apps.com, an awesome website with free tools that let you edit audio, video, and convert files, all from your web browser. You don't need to download or install anything. It's super easy to use and perfect for quick media tasks. Whether you're a beginner or just want something fast and simple, stick around as I show you how to use 123apps.com and make the most out of its tools. So what exactly is 123apps.com? It's a collection of free tools you can use straight from your browser to edit audio, video, and even work with PDFs. The best part? It's designed to be super simple, so you don't need to be a tech expert to figure it out. On the website, you'll see tools like Audio Cutter, Video Converter, PDF tools, and even a screen recorder. Whether you're trimming a song, converting a video for YouTube, or compressing a file, 123apps.com has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at two of the most popular tools. First, we have the Audio Cutter. This tool lets you cut out sections of an audio file with just a few clicks. It's great for making ringtones or trimming down long podcast recordings. Not only can you cut audio, but you can also add fade in and fade out effects, which gives it a smooth start and finish. Once you're done, you can export the audio in different formats, like MP3 or WAV. Next, let's check out the Video Converter. This tool lets you easily change your video format, so if you need to convert a video to MP4 for better quality or make a GIF, it's simple to do. You can even adjust the resolution and bitrate. Once you choose your settings, hit Convert, and your file will be ready in no time. What's really cool is that there's no watermark, so you get a clean final product. One of the things that makes 123apps.com stand out is how simple it is to use. All the tools are very straightforward, so even if you've never edited audio or video before, you can start right away. Everything happens in your web browser, so it works on any device, whether you're on a Windows PC, Mac, or even a Chromebook. And if you're wondering about limits, most of the tools are free to use with no major restrictions. But if you need more advanced features, like working with large files, you can upgrade to the Pro version. So, do I recommend 123apps.com? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone who needs quick, easy, and free tools for editing audio, video, or converting files. If you don't want to mess with complex software, this is the website for you. Whether you're creating content, working on a project, or just need to convert a file, I definitely suggest you give 123apps.com a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know in the comments which tool on 123apps.com you'll try first. See you next time.